Speech on Nature Conservation. Good morning to Honorable Principal, teachers, and my dear friends. We are gathered here today to celebrate Nature Conservation Day. Every year, World Nature Conservation Day is celebrating on July 28th. The purpose of the day is to raise public awareness of the value of protecting natural resources, while promoting sustainable lifestyles for a healthy planet. Humans rely on nature to fulfill their needs. It provides a habitat for humans, animals, and all other living beings on Earth. As we all know, nature is essential for humans to survive, but our greed has harmed it. Deforestation, global warming, pollution, and other issues facing nature today, and variations in weather and rainfall also impacted our nature. In 1972, the United Nations Conference designated July 28th as World Nature Conservation Day. Everything deserves to be preserved for future generations to enjoy. As Mahatma Gandhi once said, Earth provides enough to satisfy every man's needs, but not every man's greed. It points out that however the earth can support everyone's basic need, unrestricted consumption and wealth built up is bound to end in lack and harm to the environment. The use of natural resources is increasing faster than their rate of production. Natural resources can be divided into two categories, non-renewable and renewable. Air is one example of a renewable resource. Water and sunlight refill themselves naturally. Non-renewable resources are those that cannot be replaced or reformed quickly, such as fossil fuels and minerals. For the environment to survive, these resources must be preserved. How can nature and its resources be conserved? Use renewable energy sources such as wind and solar power. Make use of modern farming methods, increasing awareness. The fuel is transported via pipes. Increase the number of trees to reduce soil erosion. Governments are using various methods to conserve nature. However, individuals must also do their part to save nature. Thus, we need to reduce paper use, stop wasting water and electricity, and, and plant more trees. Only humans have the power and ability to preserve nature in its most beautiful forms. To save our life and the life of future generations, I request everyone to preserve nature. As I wrap up my speech, I hope that everyone has a better understanding of the value of protecting and conserving nature. To all, a happy Nature Conservation Day. Thank you.